Hey, what's going on, you fine folks at YouTube? You got the old Mongo man here making his way out to the garage. Sounds like KJ's got the heater running. Fresh off of a big old road trip there for work. 2 days, saw me put about 1,000 miles on the truck, and now we're home. I did spend a little bit of time out here with KJ already once I got home, and we're going to come back out here for another hour or two, see what we can get done. All right. KJ's running around the garage now. Whoa, it's a convertible. We don't have what?
They're just rounding off, so I gotta torch them off. And that's a fuel line.
Well, don't burn the truck down. Let's finish this cab and get it out of here, and then we'll concentrate on this. Go. So what we want to do, we want to get that, we're going to take the dash out, harvest a bunch of screws, and then cut that cab up into a couple pieces. You guys can watch us. KJ got the engine out. Transmission's next. Oh, look at this. Check this out. KJ. That's a.
Oh, yeah.
Not only is it a lightweight option, but it's
the cracked off.
Whoa! The quick disconnect version. Why'd you buy such a piece of junk?
Because it ran and I needed a transmission. And this is going to be gone by tonight. Clean shot.
So this is what happens when you cut up a cab for scrap. That's the right front, left rear, right rear, and the roof and the windshield. All right, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, you got the old Mongo man here and KJ. Say hi, Kenny.
What up?
Been busy tonight. You got to watch us rip apart a 1991 F-150, better known as Sketch. That's parts truck number 2. That is the 302 that is sold. Guys picking it up tomorrow. The engine harness, the starter, and the computer for it. This over here is the whole reason KJ bought that truck. It's an M50D with the transfer case. Everything needed. The clutch is laying over there. Flywheel's on the seat there. Oh, we need that cross member there as well. That'll get cleaned up and painted. The dry shafts, we got everything for that. And what's left of the truck is, sitting out here in pieces. Kind of hard to see, but that's it. It's gone. KJ will load that up tomorrow. Get it out of here. Take it to the scrap yard. Get some money out of it. And then once he does that, we'll do a little wrap up and we'll talk about what he's invested in it and what he gets out of it. So other than that, that's all we got for tonight. You want to add anything, KJ? Nope. Say bye to the people. All right, guys, you got the old Mongo man here. We are out. Talk to y'all later.